Hello, today's video is, well, it should have been out ages ago. It's my day out for my birthday and Matt Tarantula Rookie's birthday at the Bug Hut in Essex. Please check them out on Facebook and Instagram. They're an awesome place. I'm just going to be showing you what spiders I bought from the Bug Hut, and also I picked up from Jeremy, from Jeremy's Wild World, an amazing mystery box, which I actually swapped for one of the orb weaver domes I made, and he put a bit extra in because it was my birthday, so thank you, Jeremy. Please check this out, it's really cool. Face in your face. So my pickups from the Bug Hut were, first of all, the Jerimie orange tree spider. You probably won't be able to see it, it's pretty small. Have a little look, I'll pop the lid off in a second. It's webbed up quite a bit, it's hiding just there. I think you can just make his legs out. But when I get to rehouse them, I might do a short video or make a short or something just to show you them. Hopefully they'll molt soon, but that's cool. Love the arboreal spiders. Right. Next I bought the Jezza, another tree spider, purpley colour, Columbia, from Columbia. It's a bit bigger, this one. You can just see it here at the bottom hiding. Really good sizes, these slings, for the price. The Bug Hut are awesome. Definitely, if you're in Essex, go and check them out. All their social media and website and stuff will be in the description for you. And then lastly, it's the Palma circumferum, a blue front tarantula. You can see it's just molted, so it's hiding. It's quite a bluish, sort of greyish colour at the moment. They take a long time to grow, but I'm looking forward to raise this one up. And there's the molt there, as you can see. Now here is the Bug Hut's social media, but like I said, it'll be in the description. Now next is my card and gift that I was given from everyone that came out on the day out, so thank you very much. And this is what I've done with that enclosure. My Carabiner Versicolor juvenile's gone into it. They're a bit small for it, but they webbed it up fine. They seem to be settling in fine, so I think it'd be perfectly good, and I'm really liking the look of it. It looks great on the shelf. So thanks again, guys, and let's get into the mystery box. Okay, we have an unboxing today from the wonderful Jeremy from Jeremy's Wild World. It's a £50 mystery box that is, well, I say I bought off him, but I swapped it for a orb weaver lantern I made, so that's cool. It's you know, a £50 value one, and we're just gonna get straight into it. It's also my birthday today, that's why we're filming from upstairs, not downstairs. What's this? Ah, awesome. And some stickers. And then what we've got on there first, so we've got a Hogna Radiata Egypt. So that's a wolf spider. There's the tiny Little guy there. We'll get some better close-ups later, but lovely. It's not too tiny actually. I've had one this size before and managed to bring it up well. Lovely. Love the wolf spiders. What else we've got in here? We've got this. Amethyus Philippilius Song Sanctuite. Not sure what that is. We'll look it up. Can't see anything in there. Not sure. Don't open it. Never know. So far, so good. Next up we have Baryletis occidentalis. There's a little dude there. You can see just one finger. Oh, he ran away. There's a huntsman. You can tell how quick as lightning. Get some better. Next up, ooh, a Hogna. Caroline says, oh god, I can't say that. Wow, that's a cool size. Giant wolf spider. The light is really shining on this. Sorry, I'm gonna. No, that's worse. There we go. No. Move that light on there. There we go, look. Nice. I'll rehouse them, get some better pictures. There's 4 things out of this mystery box already. What else have we got? Oh, small one. Oh! Whoa! H. Venatoria Huntsman. Wow. Look at the size of that. Quick as lightning. Nice. And lastly, we have a female, woohoo, Oslios species Cameroon. I'm going to look at the proper, don't really know, it was a big old huntsman. Female huntsman, look. The light is really bad in here, sorry. You can see her in there. Amazing. Get some better photos when we rehouse them in a bit. So that was, you know, it was a brilliant day out, and the mystery box from Jerimie is just amazing. That dude really does breed some amazing true spiders. The huntsman I'm actually in love with. And I just want to say thanks to everyone that came on the day out. Thanks to Matt for organising the day. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. And thanks Jay Spider King for coming and meet me in London, so I didn't have to be stranded on my own. Mark and Victoria, Jerimie, Steve W, and also Paul from Tarantula Ramblings. It was really cool to catch up with you all. As always, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, really appreciate it. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Face in your face.